Modulus amplitude form. Question number 1. -1 minus I root 3. Let given question -1 minus I root 3 equal to x plus I by form. It is in the form of where x equal to -1, y equal to minus root 3. This complex number should be written in ordered pair. P of -1 comma minus root 3 equal to x comma y. This x comma y belongs to which coordinate? Q3, third coordinate. X value minus values, y values minus values. This is real axis, this is imaginary axis. Equal to the third quadrant Q3. X less than 0, y less than 0. This complex number lies in third quadrant. Therefore, amplitude of z equal to amplitude of z formula minus pi plus theta. Minus pi plus theta. Here first modulus amplitude form right. Modulus. First modulus. We should find out modulus of z equal to mod of -1 minus I root 3 equal to mod equal to -1 square plus minus root 3 whole square equal to -1 square 1 minus root 3 whole square plus 3, that is equal to root 4 equal to 2. That is modulus of z, our assumption R. Now polar form or amplitude form. Polar form x plus iy equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. We want amplitude of z minus pi plus theta. Here theta equal to formula tan inverse of y by x. Okay, that implies tan theta is our assumption amplitude of z equal to amplitude of z formula minus pi plus theta. Theta is what? Tan inverse of y by x. Here substitute here. Here minus pi plus tan inverse of mod of, this is actually formula mod of minus root 3 by minus 1. Minus cancel. That implies minus pi plus tan inverse of root 3 minus pi plus tan inverse of root 3. Root 3 value tan 60. Tan inverse of tan 60 equal to 60, that is equal to pi by 3. Minus pi plus pi by 3. Minus 2 pi by 3, that is theta. Theta equal to what? Amplitude of z. Here written polar form r plus x plus iy equal to r equal to what? R equal to 2. Here cos theta equal to minus 2 pi by 3 cos of minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin of minus 2 pi by 3. This is amplitude form or polar form. 1 plus I root 3. Let 1 plus I root 3 equal to, it is in the form of x plus I by form. This complex number should be written in ordered pair. P of 1 comma root 3 equal to, this is x comma y, ordered pair x comma y. This p 1 comma 3 belongs to p x value positive, y value positive, lies in Q1. 1 plus I root 3, this complex number exists in Q1. Here x greater than 0, y greater than 0 possibility. This amplitude of z equal to amplitude of z, this complex number of amplitude of z equal to theta. Here modulus of z equal to mod of 1 plus I root 3 equal to mod can be written as root of x square plus y square equal to root of 1 plus 3 equal to 4, that is equal to 2. It is denoted by R. 2. Now we want amplitude form. Amplitude form or polar form. Polar form. X plus Iy equal to R of cos theta plus I sin theta. Here theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse of y by x equal to amplitude of z equal to theta. Amplitude of z formula theta. Here theta equal to what formula? Tan inverse of y by x, substitute here. Tan inverse of y by x. Here tan inverse of y equal to what? Root 3 by 1 equal to root 3. Tan inverse of root 3 equal to pi by 3. This is theta. Now we want polar form, amplitude form. 1 plus I root 3 equal to R equal to 2 cos of pi by 3 plus I sin of pi by 3. This is amplitude form. Minus 1 minus I. Let minus 1 minus I equal to x plus iy form. This complex number should be written in ordered pair form. Ordered p of minus 1 comma minus 1. Here real value equal to minus 1, imaginary value equal to minus 1. This equal to x comma y belongs to this x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1. These x and y are negatives in which coordinate? That is equal to q3. q3. Here x less than 0 possibility, y less than 0 possibility, third coordinate q3. Amplitude of z equal to formula. This complex number lies in only third coordinate. Therefore amplitude of z equal to formula minus pi plus theta. Modulus of z equal to formula mod of minus 1 minus I equal to minus 1 square plus minus 1 square x square plus y square, that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. Modulus of z equal to r equal to root 2. Now polar form or amplitude form of z equal to formula x plus iy equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Here theta first, tan inverse of y by x, that is formula. That implies the amplitude of z is also theta. Amplitude of z, here theta. Amplitude of z equal to formula minus pi plus theta. Here theta equal to what? Tan inverse of y by x minus pi plus tan inverse of y by x. This is mod. Write down here. That equal to minus pi plus tan inverse of y value minus 1, x value minus 1 by minus 1. That implies minus pi plus tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 value tan of pi by 4. Tan 1 equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse of tan pi by 4 value pi by 4 equal to minus 3 pi by 4. Theta equal to what? Minus 3 pi by 4. 4. That is theta. Here polar form substitute here. Minus 1 minus I equal to R equal to what? Root 2 of cos of minus 3 pi by 4 plus I sin of minus 3 pi by 4. This is polar form or amplitude of form. Question number 4, minus root 3 plus I. Let minus root 3 plus I, it is in the form of x plus I by form. Our question minus root 3 plus I by I. This complex number convert to modulus amplitude form. This complex number represent as a point is called organ plane or complex plane. Here P of this complex number, write down point form minus root 3 comma 1 belongs to here which coordinate? That is second coordinate. Check here. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Q here x less than 0, y greater than 0. Minus root 3 less than 0, 1 greater than 0. Here amplitude of z equal to formula pi minus theta. Pi minus theta. First to find out modulus of z equal to mod of minus root 3 plus I equal to mod value minus root 3 whole square plus 1 square, that equal to minus root 3 whole square 3 plus 1 equal to root 4 equal to 2. Modulus of z denoted by small r equal to 2. Now polar form or amplitude form is x plus iy equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Now theta first find out. Theta equal to formula tan inverse of y by x. That implies a theta denoted by amplitude of z. Now we have formula what? Minus pi minus theta, amplitude of z. This complex number first theta equal to tan inverse of y by x modulus of. That implies amplitude of z equal to formula pi minus theta. This complex number belongs to Q2. Therefore amplitude of z is formula pi minus theta. Here pi minus theta. Theta equal to what? Tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse of mod of y by x. Plus tan inverse of modulus of 1 by minus root 3. Pi minus tan inverse of tan 1 by root 3 value. Tan of 30 degrees. Pi by tan of pi by 6. Tan inverse of tan pi by 6 equal to pi by 6. That implies pi minus pi by 6 equal to 5 pi by 6. That's theta value. Here substitute here. Minus root 3 polar form minus root 3 plus I equal to r equal to what? 2. Here cos of theta is pi by 6 plus I sin of 5 pi by 6. This is the final answer. Polar form.